Ain't no intro, ain't no outro either. So TSI is back out. All right, our turbo's in here, our clutch is in here, our motor mounts, and a whole bunch of other shit is in here. All right, I told you I'd give you like a video of I don't know, unboxing, and then we're gonna get started. So I'll probably start over here, because I'd rather unbox the turbo when this turbo's off, you know, and do a side-to-side comparison. So, box number one. Damn, this is always an issue trying to open shit with one hand. All right, I'll be back. All right, so in order to do a Ko4 on 2.0, you need, you have to upgrade the fuel. Damn, take the shit out of this shit. All right, it's hard to see what's in here. This is... If I could do this, I can unhook a bra strap. All right, so this is our RS4 return for the fuel pump. All right, this is our Autotech high volume fuel kit. It's just this little piece that goes in the middle. All right, so you have to take off the fuel pump, take out the piece that's in there, replace it with that. These two kind of go together. Well, these three. These are our S3 injectors. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's that. Put that to the side. And dig deeper into our box of goodies. I don't even know what the hell is in here just yet. This is AN fittings for our oil catch can setup. I'm gonna leave this up here. Back into our box. We have our throwout bearing, our alignment tool that we really don't fucking need. This is gonna be our disc, 6-puck, stage 3 or stage 4. I gotta check the listing. I just remember that it said it held up to like 408 or something, which we're not gonna probably make. We're most likely not gonna make 408. It's our pressure plate. Right. Keeping stock flywheel. So let's put that all back in there. Guess what? Since I'm already in the box opening, Ko4 upgrade. I said I'd do the comparison, but I'm already right here. I suggest opening things like when you get them, because if they send you the wrong shit and you've been waiting for X amount of time, then like the opportunity to return it is crummy. Oh, new gasket, how nice of them. Oh, crap. There's another one-hand job. Yeah, boy. This Ko4 right there. All right, we went with upgraded wastegate, which I'm probably gonna tighten up just a little bit because I don't want any boost creeps or spikes or anything. But at first glance, it kind of looks exactly the same, the same fucking size. No, it's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger. That's what she said. All right. All right. park that out the way. Let's go on to, this is gonna be really difficult just to even open all this shit with just one hand. All right, that I can't do with one hand. I can't do that one with one hand. So let's go for the simple shit. Ain't no intro, we back. So, upgraded motor mounts, right, left, right. And then this is the one that's like on the K-frame or the front subframe support. Right, it's the dome bone one underneath. There's all the hardware. Also the box, this is all LED lighting, front, back, and interior. We'll put this on top of the car for now. The coilovers are on the other side of the house. I'm not running over there. I will show you that. I like you haven't seen coilovers before. Pretty sure you have. Nothing special. Park that out the way. We got turbo out the way. And I guess that's, oh yeah. I got, there's another boost cap. This one's like a cap. Just in case I was gonna change the setup for the oil catch can. It's just optional. I wanna run a few different ones, see which one the car likes best, because I've seen it on the internet or YouTube ran a few different ways. So who knows who's got it right. I was gonna see what the car likes best and run that. And the upgraded cam follower, not even sure if I'm gonna need that. This is the one with the roller. I have a regular one as well, but we'll see which one fits, because there's like TSI, FSI, and TFSI, and I'm not sure if they all have different configurations or not, but we gonna see. All right, so next cut, I'm about to go get a tire, drop this bitch on the tire, separate the trans, get the clutch shit out the way, then onto the turbo, and then I guess we gotta go right back to it. The fucked up thing is that I just had a customer drop off their car last night on tow truck, and they want the car back like immediately. So I'm gonna have to rush through this, which I really don't want to do. But then again, it's sneezing season, I want to be outside in something fun. Right now, there's just the Q3, which is it's okay. But it's okay. It's just heavy. Like how fun can an SUV that makes like 3 something really be? I want to see like 4 or more. I want to go fast, daddy. All right, so ain't no outro. I'll give you the next clip in a sec. Most likely gonna drop this cat and go catless, just for shits and giggles. Who really cares? Connecticut, it'll never pass inspection like this, but I know I can go to New York and be on. So I think we're gonna rock this straight 3-inch all the way back. Yo, this might be the road to 400 for a wagon. This just might be. No restrictions, upgraded fuel, upgraded air, cold air intake, Eurodyne software, S3 injectors. Already said fueling twice. But yeah, this might be the road to 400, possibly. But we gonna see. All right, ain't no outro. Ain't no intro, ain't no outro. So old turbo's off, new turbo's not on yet, but transferred everything over. Right, we have our diverter valve spacers, get the whoosh noise. The stock vacuum lines from the turbo to the wastegate to the snorkel, they're all too short. So I found some silicone line and just replaced it all. Which I'm pretty sure this is going to be a lot better with the, against the heat cycles and stuff. So that's all bolted up, and we're at the point. I'm just going to swap out that exhaust gasket and throw this back up there. I think before I do that, I think I have to transfer over this one stud. And I think we're good to go. I've already adjusted my wastegate. Yeah, I think we're pretty much good to go. Right, so next clip, I'll have the turbo on there. All right, old turbo's off, new turbo's on. All the lines are ran. Swapped over this one stud. Everything's buttoned up there. Coming across one issue that I'm just now noticing is this. I think these normally come on the Audis, but I'm pretty sure I bought a block off plate. I just don't know what the hell it is right now. But I'm guessing, whatever, just get the rest of this other shit done and then figure this out later. If I have to weld something together, maybe I will. Don't want to. I think I'd rather just find off the block off plate, wherever the hell it might be. Because obviously I don't really clean up much. It's just got shit everywhere, engines everywhere, parts everywhere. It might be over there. I have no clue, honestly, but whatever. If I have the Amazon one or eBay one, I'll just do that instead of trying to find it again. All right, so I think what's next right now, I'm gonna drop it on the floor. I'm gonna separate this trans and do the clutch. After I'm done with that, put it back together. Honestly, I could do the intake manifold right now. Do I really want to do the injectors and fuel pump shit right now? Let's do the clutch. We should do the clutch. Let's get that over with. And then we'll come to the fuel. And then we'll go to the motor mounts. All right, and then we'll get to the exhaust and stuff. The chances of me finishing this all today, shit, I don't know. I'm gonna try to. One of my buddies just called me, said he needs help with his car, like one town over. I really just rather just stay here, but you know, you gotta help the homies out sometime. Anyway, that's enough talking. I'm gonna get to it. Ain't no outro.